Monsieur Cousteau, comment ça va?
I just go outside. I will brave the cold. I hope me nuts don't freeze. Hello. Pussycat.
I've already been out there. I'm not going outside again. He's going out to check. It is so windy outside, and it is cold. In the corner. Oh, yeah, I told him I think one of his little cotton candy buckets, I could hear it rummaging around out there. I think it might have flown off. It's a used one anyway. But as you can see, we are in a freezing rain warning. These are our temperatures in Celsius. Oh, he found it.
I find
You found the tub. Whoa, okay, the cats are freaking out. It's okay. It's okay.
You were hiding in the corner.
There we go. Now there's something else. Oh, whatever else is out there rattling, it can rattle. I don't care. Mr. Cousteau, are you dressed proper for the weather?
Yeah, I am hot and cold.
One sock on.
One sock off. You don't
In
like it?
slippers.
Sock off.
Oh my God.
Yeah, pussycat.
Oh.
Break the cold again.